Page 85, Prelude number 3. 2/4 time, 1 sharps in the key of G major. Let's take it slowly to start with here. They want 4th finger. So beat 1, 1 endo. They're saying 1, 3, 5. I don't like that because you got 5 again here. I'm recommending you do a 1, 2, 4. So you got here. You're in position. Here, and then a 1, 4. That's fine. So it's that's a C sharp G. They got a 5-1. I like a 4-1, and then a 3-1. 4-1, and then a 3-1. Here, that's how I finger it. You can do it their way if you want, but with people with big fat fingers and all, that doesn't work real well. So 4 is better. And then here. And then here. Hold that quarter down. Don't cut it short. You have to cut it a little short because you got to move. And you repeat that. Second ending, same thing, except now you're up here. It's treble clef. They're saying 1, 2, 1. I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why not? You gotta learn to do that anyway, so I recommend that. And this is connected. You want to do it 2, 3. And that staccato. I mean, with a sforzando on the end, like a major accent, and you're using weak fingers, but that's all right. Do the best you can. Just put a lot of weight on it. Vivace is extremely fast, and this is loud, so you're going to need a lot of weight, but you got to be very agile, very quick. Huh? There's an accent there. Something you'll have to decide how you want to do it, but it's got to be quick and even, and the beat goes on, and those have to be controlled. You just don't go whatever. Uncontrolled, they got to be there. 1 endo. Something like that. You'll decide. Take it your Vivace, not mine. But that's the idea.